Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you the LSRW method, and I can say with the 100% surety that if you are going to follow this method, if you will follow this method with the consistency, you will be able to speak very good English and very soon. Guys, I am saying it because I also have learned this language by using this method. So what is all about this method, what is actually LSRW method, I will tell in this video. So watch this video till the end. And if you are a beginner and if you come from a village area, if you come from Hindi medium background, so don't worry, I will sort it out for you. I will sort it out spoken English for you, and you will be able to speak very good English. Don't worry guys, if you are hesitating towards learning this language, if you are afraid of this language, so don't worry. So without any further delay, let's get started. So from LSRW method, L stands for listening. The first work, if we are going to learn any new language, it is not only about spoken English, it is not only about English language, but also about other language. It can be Russian, Spanish, Hindi. The listening is most important thing. The first work that everybody must do, must focus, that is listening. Without listening, how can you learn a language? And if you are going to listen this language, you will be able to get many new vocabulary, new sentences. It is automatic process. It is automatic process. If you are going to listen, you are just enjoying. You don't need to learn. You don't need to emphasize yourself on the vocabulary, on the sentences, but only what do you have to do is you have to listen to the things only in English language. If you are going to listen the English, English sentences, English vlogs, so you will be able to connect yourself with this language. You will be able to connect yourself, because the connection is very important if you are going to learn spoken English. So listening is the first step that you guys have to do. For listening, you can watch English movies, English vlogs, English related content, that can be podcast videos. This is the podcast era. Nowadays podcast videos are going to be very popular, and these are very informative, and with that you can learn spoken English easily. So listening is the first work you guys have to do. Listening will help you to have so many new words, new sentences. I am going to take an example. Okay, when we were child, मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में बोलना चाहता हूँ, माफ करना इसके लिए, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग होंगे जो इस वीडियो को हिंदी में देखना पसंद करेंगे, क्योंकि वो अभी इंग्लिश समझ नहीं पाते हैं. तो हिंदी और इंग्लिश, इस विल बी बाइलिंगुअल वीडियो. जब हम छोटे थे, जब हम किड थे बचपन में, तो क्या था पहला मेथड? क्या हम बोल पाते थे? नहीं ना. क्या हम राइटिंग करते थे? क्या हम रीडिंग करते थे? नहीं. केवल लिसनिंग ही था जिसके जरिए हम थोड़ा अपने मन से बोलने का प्रयास करने लगे थे. मम्मा, पापा, नाना, दादा, इस तरीके से, क्योंकि हम लिसन कर रहे थे. हमारी जो मम्मी है, दे यूज्ड टू टॉक विद अस लाइक दिस, से मम्मा, दादा. सो वी ट्राइड, आफ्टर समटाइम्स वी ट्राइड टू स्पीक like that. We tried. It is an automatic process. We were not emphasized to say mama, dada, but we were automatically saying, because these kinds of words were automatically fitted. These kinds of words were automatically fit in our mind, because we were listening these words for a long time, these same words. So listening is the first step that you have to do. Okay, and LSRW method ka second word is S. What is S? S stands for speaking. speaking and this is very clear that if you are going to learn spoken English, it is, if you are going to be focused on speaking, especially I'm emphasizing the word speaking. For speaking you will have to do speaking. Without speaking, learning a language without speaking, how can you think about, if you are going to think that I have to speak very good English? So you guys will have to speak. There is no other way, there is no shortcut. You guys will have to speak. This is the only solution. If how to speak, how to think in English, these are the question, guys. If you will listen, so here comes the listening practice. So I already have taught I already have told you that listening is most important thing. If you are going to listen a lot, so the words, the sentences will automatically come to your mind, and it will help you to speak. It will help you to speak very good English. So पहला स्टेप आपने फॉलो कर लिया लिसनिंग की, फिर उसके बाद में क्या करना है, स्पीकिंग करनी है जितना भी आता है, एज मच एज यू आर एबल टू स्पीक, एज मच एज पॉसिबल यू हैव टू स्पीक. You don't have anyone to talk with, don't worry. I also did not have anyone in starting. I used to practice in front of the mirror. I used to shoot my videos in front of my camera, mobile phone camera. I used to talk. I used to practice a lot for speaking, and after that I used to try to speak in front of my friends, with my friends. So this is the second method you cannot neglect. These are listening and speaking. If you are going to follow only these two methods, you will be able to learn listening plus speaking. Okay, so this is the second method. This is the second step, second word that you have to be focused on. Only on the basis of speaking, you will be able to speak very, very good English. So I hope you got it, है ना. तो आपको क्या करना है, स्पीकिंग करनी है, बहुत ही ज्यादा करनी है. लिसनिंग के साथ में स्पीकिंग भी करनी है. जितना हो सकता है उतना बोलिए, जितना हो सकता है उतना बोलिए. कोई नहीं आपकी बेइज्जती करने जा रहा है यार. तो यदि आप बेइज्जती से डर रहे हैं, इफ यू आर thinking about people, what will people say when I will speak in front of them, इस चीज से मत डरिए यार. लोगों का काम है कहना. एक दिन जब आप बोल पाओगे तो आपको लगेगा कि यार मैं तो लर्न कर रहा हूं, तो आपको ये सारे लोगों की फालतू की बकवास बिल्कुल बेकार लगने लगेगी. आप बोलोगे तो प्लीज आप बोलिए. ये ही एक सॉल्यूशन हो सकता है आपकी स्पोकन इंग्लिश सुधारने का. ओके, तो इस आगे चलते हैं. सो लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट वन. गाइज, LSRW का तीसरा वर्ड आता है. थर्ड वर्ड इज LSR. R stands for reading. Reading. What to read? You can read books. Reading is not compulsory. I can say with the 100% surety, reading is not compulsory. But if you are going to read the books, the newspaper, you will be able to learn this language faster than usual. Guys, I am emphasizing on this word especially, that if you are going to read the books in English language, the newspaper, तो आपको जो English language learn करने में आसानी हो जाएगी, क्योंकि आप listening कर रहे थे. दिस इज द फर्स्ट वर्क आपने किया, लिसनिंग. उसके साथ में स्पीकिंग भी कर रहे थे, आपने रीडिंग भी स्टार्ट कर दी. यानी कि आप इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के प्रति अपने आप को समर्पित कर रहे हैं पूरी तरीके से, और समर्पण ही आपको एक सफलता तक ले जाएगा. तो आपने रीडिंग भी स्टार्ट कर दी, एंड रीडिंग स्टार्ट की तो रीडिंग में आप क्या करेंगे, न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ेंगे और बुक्स पढ़ेंगे. तो आपको क्या करना है, यू जस्ट हैव टू रीड anything. If you are going to read, you just have to read loudly but slowly. तेज पढ़ना है लेकिन मतलब स्लो पढ़ना है. ये नहीं कि बिल्कुल फास्ट नहीं पढ़ना है, आपको तेज पढ़ना है. सॉरी, आपको रीडिंग करनी है. रीडिंग विल हेल्प यू टू learn spoken English very fast, very fast. It will boost your confidence. It will boost your confidence because when you are reading something, you are not only reading that, you are just giving the words to your mind. These words will be feed in your mind automatically. This is the automatic process. I can say that जैसे listening में हुआ था कि आपने listening की, फिर ये सारे बहुत सारे words इकट्ठा होते गए, आपका mind इसी तरीके से वर्क करता है. हमारा ह्यूमन माइंड होता है ना कि हम कुछ सारी जितनी भी चीजें हम देखते हैं वो हमारी पर्सनालिटी को बनाते हैं. यदि आप गंदी गंदी चीजें देखेंगे, गंदा गंदा सुनेंगे या अच्छा अच्छा सुनेंगे तो उसी टाइप के आपके विचार हो जाएंगे कुछ समय बाद, क्योंकि आपके माइंड में वो फीड होता जाता है. एक समय के पश्चात वो फीड होता जाता है और ऑटोमेटिकली वही प्रोसेस आप करने लगते हैं. ये इसी तरीके से वर्क करता है हमारा माइंड. यदि आप लिसनिंग करेंगे तो वो सारे वर्ड्स आपके अंदर फीड हो चुके हैं. ठीक है, इसी प्रकार से रीडिंग करते हैं तो कुछ समय पश्चात वो जो वर्ड्स आपने पढ़े, जो आपने रीडिंग की लाउडली, वो ऑटोमेटिकली आप जब बोलोगे आपका माइंड आपको देगा वो वर्ड्स बोलने के लिए. आपको जो इंग्लिश में सोचने की प्रॉब्लम होती है ना, हाउ टू थिंक इन इंग्लिश, यहीं पर सॉल्व हो जाती है. आपकी हाउ टू थिंक इन इंग्लिश वाली प्रॉब्लम इधर ही सॉल्व हो जाएगी. इट विल बी सॉर्टेड आउट हियर इफ यू आर गोइंग टू रीड लाउडली. ओके, तो रीडिंग करिए. रीडिंग विल हेल्प यू टू लर्न दिस लैंग्वेज वेरी सून, वेरी फास्ट. सो रीडिंग बहुत ही जरूरी है, रीडिंग बहुत जरूरी है. तो चलिए आगे चलते हैं. LSRW. W stands for writing. Writing, for improving your writing skills. It will help you. It will help you very much, guys. Not only for writing skills but also for spoken skills. I can say it with the 100% surety. If you are going to write something, you are going to learn very much. You are going to learn very much. I can show you the diaries I have filled with writing only in English language. I have filled 3 to 4 diaries. When I started learning this language, I started working on these 4 methods, these 4 categories for spoken English. I started writing the diary, and in starting I was not able to write very well. I was not able to make correct sentences. I was making grammatically incorrect words, sentences in starting, but slowly, gradually, the improvement was very good, guys. After some days I was very happy that I am able to write very well, I am able to speak very well, I am able to understand English very well. So these methods helped me a lot. So writing के लिए आपको क्या करना है? From now you have to go to the market and buy a diary from the market and start writing your diary. आपको क्या लिखना है इसमें? आपको कुछ नहीं लिखना. आपने जो भी किया है, whatever the things, whatever the task you have completed in your whole day, you just have to note down, you just have to take down before going to the bed. I will emphasize on this sentence, before going to the bed, because whenever you are going to learn something before sleep, if you are going to learn something, if you are going to read, if you are going to watch something, it will be very easy to remember. It will be very easy to remember. क्योंकि जो हम सोने के पहले करते हैं वो हमारे माइंड में बहुत ही आसानी से फीड हो जाता है. बिकॉज सोने के पहले हम जो भी चीजें लर्न करते हैं उसके लिए अच्छा खासा आराम मिल जाता है. हमारा माइंड आराम से उन सारी चीजों को एब्जॉर्व कर लेता है. एंड सुबह आपने महसूस किया होगा, you must have, you would have realized that when you have watched something at the night before going to the bed, the things you have watched, you might be able to remember those things easily in the morning when you are waking up. तो आपको क्या करना है? राइटिंग करनी है. ओनली 1 पेज या 2 पेज कर सकते हैं. So these are the 4 steps that will these steps will help you to speak very good English. These steps will help you to learn spoken English easily. There is no one who can interrupt you to learn this language. There is no one who can stop you to speak very well English. If you are going to follow these methods, you are not only going to learn spoken English, but with this spoken English, you are going to learn writing skills. You are going to increase your understanding skills, capabilities. You are going to learn many new things with this. Okay, so this is what I wanted to talk about in this video, that this method was very helpful for me. Only because of this reason I am able to speak very good English. How can I emphasize to you guys on to apply this method? Because I also have used this method for me. Only because of this reason I am saying to you, I am advising to you guys that you please apply this method. Only because of this method you will be able to learn this language. There is if you are going to follow this method, there is no need to join any paid classes for learning this language. There is no need to join. Okay, तो आपको ये मेथड फॉलो करना है. और यदि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज लाइक कर दीजिए एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. ओके, एंड सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. प्लीज सपोर्ट करिए ना मुझे, और मैं आपके लिए बहुत सारी अच्छी वीडियोस लाता रहूंगा. और आपको ये वीडियो अगर हेल्पफुल लगी, इफ यू फाउंड दिस वीडियो हेल्पफुल, सो प्लीज एक कमेंट कर दीजिए यार. एक कमेंट कर दीजिए कि कैसा है वीडियो. यदि आपको हेल्पफुल लगा है तो अच्छा कमेंट कर दीजिए, नहीं लगा तो फिर बुरा कमेंट कर दीजिए, बट कमेंट करिए यार. आई विल इम्प्रूव. आई एम हियर टू इम्प्रूव माई सेल्फ. आई एम हियर टू इम्प्रूव माई सेल्फ. आई वॉन्ट टू इम्प्रूव अ लॉट. Okay, so have a good day. We will meet in another very interesting video for you guys. Okay, so bye.